Hey everybody, welcome to the video. It's 7S26 Simon. Today we're going to look at this machine here, or this room. It's called Investigating Windows. So I'm going to go ahead and get this one started. There's going to be spoilers obviously, so this is a free room. Go ahead and do this one yourself. If you get stuck, come back and take a look. I might do this in two parts because I really don't want to do a long video. There's quite a lot of questions here, so let's just see how far we get. Now, it says here there are a few challenges. Connect using RDP. Okay, so let me just test something really quick. Have we got a command prompt? CMD. So 10.10.199.223. Okay, so we're actually on the box that we're investigating. Okay. So this is a bit weird because we haven't got any forensic software. We just need to investigate the actual machine. So anyway, what we can do to actually check what we're running, we can let's go to let's go here. So Windows Server 2016, that's probably what this wants us to do. Yeah. Okay, who logged in last? So if we're not using any forensic software, I guess what we can do is just look at the dates. So I guess there's only 2 users, it looks like, so let's type in administrator. When did John log into the system last? Okay, so at the moment we don't have anyone called John, so John must be a deleted user. So it looks like we're going to have to go back in the past. We're going to have to maybe look at something to see whether what date, what time, what year he last logged in. Okay, so what we can do is we can type, it's going to be a net user. Here we go. So net user, we can see there's 2 accounts. There's actually a few, there's default as well. So net user John, we're going to do a find string BC last logon. Okay, so it looks like we've got the information we need. So 0302 2019 5:48:32 PM. There we go. What IP does the system connect to when it first starts? Okay, let's type in netstat, and I'm not so sure they're active connections. What IP does the machine connect to when it first starts? Okay, so what we probably want to do is check out what's it called? Startup. What is the name of that? Windows startup settings. Startup configuration. MS config, that's the one. So MS config. Let's just take a quick look. May not be in here, but I just want to take a look anyway. Services, startup items not enabled. Services, oh god, there's a massive bunch of services. Okay, so the answer's not going to be in there. What IP does the system connect to when it starts? Can we look in regedit? HKey local machine, system. It's not going to be set up, is it? Let's go look at the registry key. Windows startup, registry. HKey current user software. Here we go, that's what we want. Let me just copy this. Okay, so HKey current user. I sometimes use my address bar as a way of pasting something I need. So HKey current user software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, and then run, and we can see there's nothing actually there. Nothing, no IP address. So that's interesting. So I guess, and this keeps running, this mim.exe looks slightly, looks quite malicious. Man in the middle, maybe? Mimikatz? Doesn't look good. Right, anyway, so current user, let's try the local machine. So, system. So, system software, Microsoft, what's this, CTF. HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, run. Okay, here we go, we can see an IP. So let's key that one in. 10.34.2.3. Nice. Okay, which two accounts had administrative privileges other than the administrative user? So here we're going to have to go to user accounts. It says had, so I'm going to assume they don't have. Oh no, they still do. Jenny has an admin account. So Jenny has had one. Okay, so what we're going to do to find this out is we're going to hit run. In fact, we're going to type in usr manager.msc. Okay, so we're going to bring up our local user managers information. So if we click on groups, administrators, we can see guest and Jenny. Is it Jenny then guest? Here we go. So you had to get that the right way around. What is the name of the scheduled task that's malicious? So task scheduler. It's going to be this Mimikatz thing, I guess. Let's change that to last 30 days. What is the name of the scheduled task that's malicious? Wow, there's a massive amount of tasks 56 tasks. Okay. Whose idea was it to have 56 tasks running? So, what is the name that's malicious? So, I'm just going to look in these locations. Okay, custom trigger. At log on of any user. It's really awkward to see in such a small space. Secure boot update. What is this? That doesn't look great. But maybe that's legit. Clean file system. That doesn't look great. Wonder if that's the one. Clean file system. Yeah, that looks dodgy. 455 every day. What was the task trying to run daily? The task trying to run daily. Looks like this here, netcat ps1, okay, nc.ps1. What port did that listen for? 1348. When did Jenny last log on? Let's go back to our command and look for Jenny. Okay, Jenny has never logged on. Okay, it looks like we're about halfway through and this video is 12 minutes long, coming up to 13 minutes. So I think we've made good progress. I will release a part 2 for this, but interesting way of sort of forensically investigating this, just running sort of live commands. Kind of interesting. You know, we've looked at scheduled tasks, we've looked at the registry, we've looked at last logged on users, who's in the admin group, you know, what year, what version of the machine we're running. So yeah, that's really cool. We'll do part 2 tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Hope this has been somewhat useful. Thanks guys.